welcome to Work It Out on the network service of the NTA. Every week, we bring students from across Nigeria to compete for our top prize here on the program. They come here and they solve complex, sometimes simple mathematics questions, and we'll see just how smart they are. Today promises to be exciting and really competitive. My name is Israel Ife-Robo, and now let's meet our contestants. Contestant A.
My name is Akipem Soyin Kosola. I'm in JS3.
Contestant B.
My name is Obunugu Mesama and I am in JS3.
Contestant C.
My name is Ikechukwu Chijogo and I'm in JS2.
Contestant D.
My name is Udo Junifer and I'm in JS3.
Welcome to Work It Out. Contestant A, your question.
Number 1.
Question 1. What is the binary representation of this number? 1, 0, 2, 3. Your time is up. Do I have any attempt for a bonus? The binary representation of the number 1023. It is 1 in 10 places. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. That is the correct answer. Contestant B, your question.
Number 5.
Question number 5. What is the definition of an angle?
An angle is two or more lines joined together.
Your time is up. Anyone for a bonus? Anyone? Do I see? Contestant C.
An angle is a point where two or more lines meet.
I'll give it to you. An angle is a figure formed by two rays with a common end point called the vertex. Alright? That was contestant B's question. She did not get it, while contestant C got it for a bonus. Contestant C, your question.
Number 2.
Question number 2. How do you divide binary numbers? How do you divide binary numbers? Contestant D, it's not a bonus question to you. Contestant C, you didn't get it, your time is up. Contestant D, let's see if you can get it for a bonus.
You divide binary by the base given to you.
Dividing binary numbers is similar to dividing decimal numbers using long division. That is the correct answer. Contestant D, your question.
Number 3. Number 3.
Question number 3. What is the decimal equivalent of the binary number 100101? Your time is up. Do I see anyone attempting a bonus? So the right answer is the decimal equivalent of 100101 is 37. Contestant A.
Number 4.
Question number 4. What is the largest decimal number that can be represented with 8 bits? Do you have the answer? You don't. Anyone attempting a bonus? The largest decimal number that can be represented with 8 bits is 256. 155. Contestant B, your question.
Number 9.
Question number 9. What is the binary representation of the decimal number 16?
One, 1 base 2.
Your time is up and that is not the correct answer. Anyone attempting a bonus? Any contestant attempting a bonus? Contestant D.
10000 base 2.
I'll give it to you. So that was a question for contestant B. You did not get it. Contestant D got it for a bonus. Contestant C, your question.
Number 10.
Question number 10. What is the decimal equivalent of the binary number 1110101? Your time is up. Anyone for a bonus? Contestant A.
126.
126 is not the right answer. The correct answer is 117. Contestant D, your question.
Number 6.
What is a reflex angle?
Reflex angle are angle that is up to 80 but less than 360. Up to 80 but less than 360.
You modeled everything up. And your time is up. Contestant C, bonus question to you.
A reflex angle is an angle that is more than 90 degrees but less than. A reflex angle is an angle that is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees.
That is correct. That was a question for contestant D. She did not get it. Contestant C got it for a bonus. Contestant A.
Number 14.
Question number 14. Rachel drank 5/6 of a bottle of soda. If the bottle had 1.5 liters, how much soda did she drink?
$65.
No. That's not the right answer. And your time is up. Anyone for the bonus? Contestant B.
2.5.
Not 2.5, my dear. Contestant D.
6.5.
That is not the right answer. The right answer is 1.25 liters of soda. Rachel drank 1.25 liters of soda. Contestant B, your question.
Number 7.
Question 7. In a data set with the values 7, 9, 11, 13, 20, 20, 17, what is the mode?
20.
20 is correct. Contestant C, your question.
Number 11.
Number 11. What is the binary representation of the decimal number 0?
0.
0 is correct. The last question for stage 1 goes to contestant D. Question 13. A basketball team won 7 out of 10 games. What fraction of the games did they win?
3/10.
A basketball team won 7 out of 10 games. What fraction of the games did they win? Your time is up. Bonus question to contestant B.
7/10.
7/10 is absolutely correct. And with that, we've come to the end of stage 1 of our competition. We're going to break, return with the scores, and tell you the students that are proceeding to stage 2. Join us again. Welcome back to the program. The result for stage 1 is here with me. Let's find out how they performed. Contestant A scored no points. Contestant B scored 12 points. Contestant C scored 16 points. While contestant D scored 4 points. Well, that means at this point in time, contestant A will leave the competition, while contestant B, C, and D will proceed to stage 2. Stay with us. Well, thank you so much for staying tuned. We're now into stage 2 of our competition. We now have 3 contestants on the hot seat. Contestant A, contestant B, and contestant C. The rules remain the same. Contestant A, your question.
Number 1.
Question 1. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 9 centimeters and breadth is 21 centimeters.
189 centimeters square.
That is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Number 5.
Question number 5. Find the mean of the following numbers: 10, 15, 25, 30.
20.
20 is correct. Contestant C, your question.
Number 2.
Question number 2. What is the coefficient of x in 7x minus 8y equals 4?
The coefficient is 7.
The coefficient is 7. That is correct. Contestant A, your question.
Number 3.
Question number 3. What is the area of a square whose length is 5 centimeters?
500 centimeters square.
No, that's not correct. Your time is up. Contestant C, bonus question to you.
25 centimeters square.
That is correct. That was a question for contestant A. She did not get it, and contestant C got it for a bonus point. Contestant B, your question.
Number 6.
Question number 6. Find the median of 2, 4, 8, 1, 3.
The median is 3.
3 is correct. Contestant C, your question.
Number 4.
Question number 4. Find the mode of 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 5, 3.
The mode is 3.
The mode is 3. That is correct. Contestant A, your question.
Number 8.
Simplify. 7x, open bracket, 4y plus 3z, close bracket, minus 3y.
28xy plus 21xz minus 3y.
That is correct. That is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Number 9.
Number 9. The perimeter of a rectangle whose length is x centimeters and breadth is y centimeters is dash?
2x plus 2y centimeter.
Say that again.
2x plus 2y centimeter.
That is correct. Contestant C, you have the last question, which is question number 7, so I'll give it to you. Divide 560 by 0.14.
0.
No, that is not correct. Your time is up. A bonus question now to contestants B.
4. 0.4.
It is not 0.4.
4.
It is not 4. So the right answer is 4000. And with that, we've come to the end of stage 2 of our quiz competition right here on Walk It Out. Time now for us to find out who will proceed into the third and final stage of the competition. But that's in a moment. Do join us again. Just gone by was stage 2, and now let's find out how the students fared. The results are in. Contestant A scored 26 points. Contestant B scored 24 points. While contestant C scored 14 points. But that simply means that contestant A and contestant B proceed to the third and final stage of our competition. Do stay tuned. So we have witnessed stage 1 and stage 2. It is time now for us to present to you stage 3. Let's start. Contestant A.
Number 1.
Question number 1. A certain number is squared and the result is 81. What is the number?
9.
9 is correct. Contestant B.
Number 4.
Question number 4. Out of 140 apples in a basket, 42 were bad. What percentage of the apple was good? Your time is up.
135%.
It is still wrong. Contestant A, do you have a bonus answer for this? You don't. The correct answer is 70%. Contestant A, now your question.
Number 2.
Question number 2. What is XCVI in Arabic figure?
96.
96 is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Number 6.
Question number 6. What is the volume of a box? 15 centimeters long, 15 centimeters wide, and 10 centimeters high. The volume.
2,250 centimeter cube.
That is correct. 2,250 centimeters cube. Contestant A, your question.
Number 8.
Number 8. If a student has a score of 50%, how many marks out of 120 did the student obtain?
60 marks.
60 marks is correct. And our final question for this segment goes to contestant B, and that is question number 7. Find the area of a carpet which covers the floor of a room 16 meters long, 10 meters wide, and 9 meters high.
1,460 meter square. Meter.
Not correct. The figure itself is not correct.
360 meters.
Not correct, my dear. Not correct. Bonus question to contestant A. You want to try? The answer is 1,440 meters cubed. And that brings us to the end of the final stage of our competition. We will go on a quick break at this time. When we return, we'll collect the scores and tell you who has won today's edition of the program. Do not go away. This is Work It Out. If you just tuned in, you've missed stage 1, stage 2, and even stage 3. For now, let's bring you the scores for stage 3. Contestant A scored 41 points, while contestant B scored 36 points. And that means we have a winner. As always, every contestant here on this program, they are all winners. And after the break, it will be time for us to present our prizes to all our contestants on this edition of the program. Do stay with us. Welcome back to the program. It is time for us to present our prizes to all our contestants on today's edition. In 4th position, please welcome Akin Femisoye Onyikosola. Congratulations. In 3rd place, please welcome Udoji Winifred. Congratulations, Winifred. And in 2nd place, please welcome Obunugu Nesoma. Congratulations. And for our winner on today's edition of the program, please welcome Ikechukwu Chidogo. It's a big one for her. She deserves it. And she walks away with her prize. Congratulations. Contact us today if you have a child or a student who wants to be a part of this program. We are open to have them on this show. Contact us today at NTA ETV Tejo Show Yaba Lagos. Go up on YouTube as well and watch past editions of our programs. We are at NTA ETV on YouTube. That's our program for today. My name is Israel Ifiruba, and I'd love to see you again next week. Bye-bye.